Alright. So in this case here, we're going to be fast. So after you find the coordinates, and this is called the objective line. What do I say? What do I say? I'm not talking objective what? Objective line. Now this objective line, we're going to raise it to the highest point here is not this. The highest point here is what? Is either this or this, right? Yes. And it's not even on the same straight line. So it will be raised. You raise the objective line in such a way such that it will really reach this point. Because if you plot the graph, it's not very far. It's just this that the way I drew the diagram. Is the point C? Like is it point Q or point C? So let's say point Q. Point Q. So after you've got the objective line, how do you get objective line? I just explained, right? Do what? Pick any point, get the value of your P. What do you do next? I'll put inside that objective function, right? Then obtain your coordinates. Then raise the line. So I'll get an objective line. The next is to raise the what? Can we also raise the objective line up the page until it passes through the extreme point Q. So if you come up, you just like if you have taught engineering, if you remember your engineering drawing, you can raise a line up. So you just like put ruler under it so you would what? Straight. So let's say this is a line, then let's say this is a line now. I want to raise this line up. I just need to put a set square like this. I will set this line. So I can put a ruler here. So if I put the ruler here, the set square will be able to move. So I'll just pick the ruler and I'll put this. I'll now raise it up. So I'll now raise it up till I get to this point. So when I raise it up, I get to this point. Immediately I get to this point. The objective line will immediately touch. So raising it to pass through the extreme point Q. Raising it up, we have the value of the objective line P over 2 at maximum point Q to be what? 4. So it will be at 4. The maximum point will be at what? 4. So it will really touch 4. Then you now say P over 2 max equal to 4. A pictorial view, a diagrammatical view of this plane, we're gonna have something like this. So when I raise it up first, I raise it up. When I raise it up, I'm gonna have my answer here. Where is it? As what is it? It's very, very. I'm gonna have my answer as 4. When you do it, like the line will touch it as 4. Notice 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yeah. So it's gonna touch at this maximum point. So when I draw it, and once I raise the line to touch this, it will touch points at 4.
What line are we using? Is it not the objective?
The objective line is one we are raising. So the objective line will touch this maximum point. It's surely touch here and surely touch somewhere here. You see what I'm saying? You get my point? So if it surely touch a point and touch a point, you can now check the coordinates down. So look at that. Take your ruler, take your pen, straighten your line on that graph. Use your pen, straighten on that objective line. Raise it up a bit. They know there will be error because you're not using ruler, right? Yeah. Put your pen there and just try raise it up a bit. When you try raise it up a bit, you find out that your line goes up a bit, right? Goes up a bit, till it gets to point 4. I mean, you will have something like this. See? Like this. Wait, let me show you something. You're gonna have something like this. See something? So it's gonna be like this. So after I raise it up, so let's say this is 9, I raise it up. Let's say this will be shape. This point, let's say this point. Point key rather. So what will happen is that as I raise it up, see I raise it up because this is the highest point here, right? Yeah. At this point is 0, don't forget y is 3. So at this point is highest. So what do I do? Immediately I raise this line and this line touch here. And so I will show you have something like this. So it is this point now on y axis now. So it will be 4. You understand what I'm saying? So I'll pick max because originally we said pick any what point on the what. Any point on y-axis. So it's gonna go up and down. This is what we have. So immediately I touch this point C. So immediately I raise it up and touch this point, it surely touch 4, like surely. So it will be on 4. But because you are using set square, you might not be accurate because there might be what we call error, zero error in terms of viewing and the rest. That is how you use simultaneous equation. So that is how you obtain. So when you raise your points, you get to be 4, then you cross multiply. You're gonna have your P max as what? 8. So what about you want to minimize? So you want to minimize, what do? You pick the lowest on what? X. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So you have lower value because once you touch it can be 8, it can be 10. So you now substitute inside what? X. So you will not do that thing you do on 1. You will do it on what? X. That's how this process, you will do it on what? X. You know that time what we did first was we make y subject to 4.
Yeah.
So you make x subject to formula, then you obtain the coordinates. You surely maybe the line will be like this. Or the line will be somewhere. So you now put you get to the what? Lowest point. What is the lowest point here?
Yeah.
Or in this case here, you don't even need to do that. You can even use this line. Another method is that you raise this point to the lowest point. What is the lowest point here? It's not this point.
Yes, that point.
So on this point, the P minimum will have what?
It's equal to 2.
P minimum is what?
It's 2.
And that's P over 2, don't forget. P over 2 because what?
It's equal to 2.
When I raise the lower line, I have it as what now? I'll be 2 now, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to have it as what? So I'll raise it to the lowest line. How do you pick 2.5 first? And get 5. You raise to the lowest what? Which is what? Here, right? Not here, okay? Here. So, and it's what? 2. So, the coordinate is 2. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
But now, since the coordinate is 2, are you picking on x? No. You are picking on what? Y. So, don't come and say your answer is. You know what I'm saying? When I do my line here, it's only touch this now.
Yes.
But we are picking on x, which is the lowest for this guy.
Yes.
So we are using this one to trace the what? Ah, yes, we are using this one to trace the what?
Lowest minimum.
So when he touches this lowest line, I will know my answer is what?
1.
So P max will now be P min will be 1, and P min will now be 1 times 2. So we still have our P minimum to what?
2.
Do you understand? So if it's maximum, just do the minimum process and raise it up till you get to the extreme. Now, here comes a problem. You can have some diagram like this. So what is the extreme point here?
Yeah.
What is the lowest point? So you raise it, pa, 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 pa. So it might be somehow. That is why sometimes your graph should be very big, but this, after you raise the line, this is a shortcut. After you've done it, just draw the answer. Next thing, just take your calculator. All you do is just, I will try this. Look, that's right.
Does that mean I'm going to actually...
After you don't even need to raise the line. That is an important thing. Let's pay attention. Let's revise again. And by all use set square, let's say we are mandated to use what? So we are mandated to use what? Set square. What do you do first? Just what do you do first? Write the change the question back to what? From the objective function, right? Make y equal the formula, pick any convenient coordinate, get the value of the what? Value of what now? P over stuff, right? After you get that, so you get P over 2 or P over 3, P over 5, anything. Depends on the objective what form right now. So I pick any point that cross multiply, I have the value of my P, right? I put it back in the equation, I get coordinates to raise an objective line. Make sure you identify the objective line and write the objective line. I raise up the objective line, I get what extreme or mini. I cross my right now. Very simple and very fast. Now when it comes to coordinates, you don't even need to do anything. You need to come and do all this. All you just look at the extreme point. What is the extreme point? Q, right? Trace the coordinates down. So if your graph is wrong, error. So what do you do? Pam, 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 pam. Pam, 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 pam. It will surely be on. So you see this.